Hey, financial freedom fighters! Welcome back to Jocelyn Online Business. In my previous video, we explored 10 proven ways to make money online, and today, we're diving deep into the most requested method, freelancing. I'm revealing the exact framework that helps complete beginners start earning their first $1,000 online. Stay until the end because I'm sharing 3 game-changing secrets that will fast-track your freelancing success. In today's training, I'm sharing key highlights from my complete Freelance Success Academy. First, we'll explore the essential money mindset that separates successful freelancers from those who struggle. Then, I'll show you exactly how to identify your most profitable skills, even if you're starting from zero. Next, we'll cover the fundamental steps to start attracting your first clients. And finally, I'll reveal the crucial mistakes you need to avoid as a beginner. While I can't cover everything from my comprehensive course in this video, these fundamentals will help you start your freelancing journey the right way. Let's start with the most crucial element of freelancing success, your money mindset. Many beginners make the mistake of thinking they're not good enough to charge professional rates. Here's the truth. If you can solve a problem for a business, you deserve to be paid well for it. Think about this. If someone is hiring you for content writing, it's because they're not good at writing themselves. If they need social media management, it's because they don't have the time or skills to do it effectively. The second mindset shift is understanding that pricing isn't about your years of experience. It's about the value you provide to clients. When you help a business make more money or save precious time, that's incredibly valuable. In my complete course, we dive deep into advanced pricing strategies. But for now, remember this. You're not just selling time, you're selling solutions. The third crucial mindset shift is adopting a growth perspective. Every successful freelancer started exactly where you are right now. The difference is they committed to continuous improvement. They focused on solving problems and delivering results, rather than worrying about being perfect from day one. Now, let's talk about identifying your profitable skills. You might be surprised to learn that you already have valuable skills that clients will pay for. Think about your daily activities. Do you write emails? That's communication skills. Do you organize information? That's valuable project management experience. In my complete course, we do a comprehensive skill assessment. But let me share one powerful exercise with you right now. Let me share something that might surprise you about starting your freelance journey. Many beginners think they need an expensive website, professional certifications, or a huge portfolio before they can start. Here's the truth. You don't need any of these to land your first clients. What you actually need is far simpler. In my complete course, we cover all the tools and systems in detail, but today I'll share the 3 most essential elements. The first essential element is a professional social media presence. This doesn't mean having thousands of followers. Instead, focus on creating a profile that clearly shows potential clients how you can help them. LinkedIn and Facebook are particularly powerful for freelancers. And in my complete course, I show you exactly how to optimize each platform for maximum results. The second essential element is a simple portfolio. Notice I said simple, not extensive. You only need 2 to 3 strong examples of your work to start landing clients. I'll show you a quick way to create these samples, even if you have 0 experience. My students in the complete course learn advanced portfolio strategies, but this basic approach will help you get started. Now for the exciting part, getting your first clients. There are 3 main ways to find clients as a beginner freelancer. The first method is what I call the value-first approach. This strategy has helped my students land their first clients within weeks, often without even directly pitching their services. Let me show you how it works. Here's how the value-first approach works. Instead of sending cold pitches, start by joining Facebook groups where your ideal clients hang out. Spend time answering questions and sharing helpful tips. This positions you as an expert, and clients will naturally reach out to you. While my complete course covers 6 additional client acquisition strategies, this method alone can help you land your first client. Let's talk about one of the most common questions I get, how to price your services. While we dive deep into advanced pricing strategies in the complete course, here's a fundamental principle to get you started. Never compete on price alone. Instead, focus on the value you provide. For example, if you can help a business save 10 hours per week through your virtual assistant services, that's worth far more than minimum wage. Let's recap what we've covered today. You now understand the essential mindset shifts needed for freelancing success, how to identify your profitable skills, and the basics of landing your first clients. Remember, successful freelancing isn't about having decades of experience. It's about solving real problems for real businesses. While this overview gives you a strong foundation, there's so much more to learn about building a sustainable freelance business. I'm excited to announce that I'm creating a detailed, step-by-step course revealing my complete system for freelancing success. If you're ready to become an entrepreneur from the comfort of your home, here's an exclusive opportunity. I'm selecting the first 100 people to get free access to this comprehensive course. Simply click the link in the description and leave your email address to be considered for this special offer. Don't miss this chance to learn my complete freelancing success system. As always, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with more money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.